guys, we are back again today, Richmond, Missouri at Max Motors. Thank you to Josh Johnson, Howard, and Dylan, Sean for letting us continue to do this. But today we have a brand new Ford Maverick Lobo. This one is in the white color, and I will say, you saw us do a video on the black one a couple weeks ago. I really like the white. This has got to be my favorite one so far, and it actually has different wheels on it than the black one. No turbofan wheels, normal wheels. But today we are going to be taking off the stock exhaust on this Maverick, and we're going to be putting on the very popular Thermal R&D 3-inch exhaust on this Ford Maverick. And we're not going to go with the traditional turn down right here. We're going to go with the side exit, and it's going to look absolutely sick, even if Mikey doesn't think so. But yeah, we're gonna get started. We got Mikey over here. He's gonna get her unbolted, and we're gonna let you hear what it sounds like afterward. I'm not gonna bore you with what it sounds like prior to, because we all know it doesn't sound like anything but a sewing machine. Yeah, let's get started.
Yeah, I wasn't so much the yellow, just more the copyright. Jason, you want to grab them?
Dude, yeah, let me help. Just gotta give me direction and. Perfect. Look at that, Bradley. Let's move it out of the way. That's Ford factory quality, dude. What are you talking about? That weld is bad. It's terrible. Look at it over here. Brother, hire me.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good.
Brother. I don't know if anybody noticed, but the factory exhaust, I would imagine took 2 minutes or less to get all of it down. Like it was unbolt, all one piece, down, done. Super easy, probably the easiest exhaust we've ever changed so far. Let's see how this one goes up. It's wild watching the clearance from this pipe to the actual diff.
Yeah, there's not much, is there?
It's not. They had, I mean, you know, when you talk about people engineering something, like this is one of those things.
Yep.
Yeah, these will come over. About right there in the middle. And that one will do the same.
Go ahead and tighten.
Yeah, don't go like crazy. We still want some wiggle room to adjust, but you can get them snugged up there. Run her down. I mean, you probably run that one down. Bradley, this is a good one so far. Easy peas. I should have kept the plastic on that. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. We'll just wait.
New bush. New bush is probably not.
You just put it in the same hole I had it in?
No, you had it in the middle.
All right, that's where we want them to sit. Brother. All right, when you're done, now I would say this in total 15 minutes, 20 minutes.
Yeah.
I mean, wild fast. But when you're done, make sure you go and hand tighten all these bolts. The last thing we want is for anything to move back. So hand tighten, get everything nice and snug, and we're gonna be done. It looks sick.
Yeah.
All right, guys, exhaust is on. Thanks, Mikey. Let's hear what this thing sounds like. All right, so if you guys see, we have Victor Soto on the phone right now, which is the face of Thermal R&D, and I couldn't help myself but call him on a Saturday, because I think the reason our videos, like some of them do so well, or how the pages do so well, is enthusiasm and organic enthusiasm. So I called Victor today just to tell him how much I dig the exhaust sound on this Maverick right now, because like legit, it sounds freaking amazing.
Sounds great.
It sounds so good. So
Tyler, we appreciate all your hard work.
we appreciate you, Victor. So we'll probably put this in the video for you. We're gonna take it out right now and go record some audio and get some drone shots. So yeah, we're gonna go capture it right now. The exhaust is absolutely sick, dude. You guys killed it.
Yeah, what is it? I like how easy it is to put on besides that other one. You don't have to cut it anymore.
Bro, I bet we had the stock exhaust off in 2 minutes or less.
Yeah, it was ridiculous.
And I bet just total time on the lift, up in the air, stock exhaust off, new exhaust on. I bet 20 minutes was all it took to install it. So it's this is going to be a huge seller, I think. All right, bro, we're gonna go do the driving portion of it. I'll let you know how it goes.
All right, brother, kill it.
All right, dude, bye.
So first impressions, what do you think?
I'm smiling like I do when I like something, bro. This is I love it. Like, I don't know, there's something weird with me and EcoBoost.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is, but you put me behind the wheel of a V8, that sounds great. Like the C8, and I'll do the same thing. But I'm not a hater on a motor just because it's not a V8, like all these other people, like a ton of people out there are. If it's not a V8, they don't think it sounds good. I can find the value in all the motors, right? This 2-liter EcoBoost that they've been using in the Focus ST, Thermal knocked this exhaust out of the park. And it's because the vehicle we're in too, it's a Lobo, it's a sport truck. It sounds like a sport truck now.
It sounds like a rally car.
That's not bad when it's floored.
It's not.
No.
So I will say this one does seem significantly louder than that black Maverick we did.
Oh yeah. Yeah, because you can't hear anything.
Yeah, no, it sounds great.
It is making such a good sound. I'm telling you. Sounds good. I like the noise. I wouldn't say I'm hearing drone. I'm not hearing necessarily drone in the cab. I'm just hearing great noises. It's so good. If there's Maverick owners out there that want their Maverick to sound any different than it does stock, if you don't, just at least look at this exhaust, you are outside of your mind. Also, little mid video plug at checkout directly at Thermal. Type in code Tyler Clark. Put a little cash back in your pocket. Keep a little bit of it. Save money. Get a good exhaust. Get this experience. Get this, what would you call it? This musical EcoBoost orchestra that is coming from this 2-liter EcoBoost via Thermal R&D 3-inch exhaust. It sounds so good on this thing. Bradley.
Yes, sir.
Listen to these revs. Thermal R&D 3-inch. It's nothing crazy, but it's just enough to satisfy that automotive brain that some people have, like me. It makes the truck way more fun to drive. Listen to it launch. It sounds so good for what it is. And if any of you out there watching this are interested in this exhaust for your Ford Maverick, go directly to thermalrnd.com. At checkout, use code Tyler Clark, save yourself a little bit of money, get the best exhaust on the market for your Maverick. Shout out Max Motors, Richmond, Howard, Josh, Dylan, Sean. Thank you guys for letting us do these videos. Thanks for letting us use your brand new Maverick to install exhaust on. Someone, go to Max Motors, hit up Dylan Wise, buy this truck. Let's go.